Group D, finish up your last lap.
5 seconds left.
Group E, please prepare. Thank you, Group D. Your practice session has now concluded. Group E, please take the stage, prepare your cars. And please wait for your practice session to start. All right, Group E, please prepare. 3, 2, 1, start your practice session. Beat that 90-point score. Watching the light right now. And he's off. Let's see what he's gonna do for this one. A bit more aggressive, more speed. Let's see if he gets into that flippy zone. Oh! He pushes a little bit too hard on that one, crashes into the wall. It's a lot of points on the table, but he can still complete this run. Put on a show for all his fans. But that second run, man, reaching into the 90 club, 90-point club.